Today we are at 3155 Cornell. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home offered by Barron's Property Managers. We're walking into the living room from the foyer. You have nice raised ceilings, and it is open to the kitchen and the dining room. We have a nice bar top with our granite counters, stainless steel appliances. So here's our front door again. And this is our great room. So here's the bar top and kitchen area. We do have a nice pantry, all appliances included. You can see our front door through the walkway as well. And if we walk through here, we'll get to our laundry room and garage. Coming back out now, here's another view of that kitchen. Now we're going to walk through the kitchen and into the master suite. It's directly off of the dining area. Again, we have raised ceilings, nice flooring in here as well. And then we have our ensuite as well. The ensuite does include a double sink vanity, tile flooring. We have a nice soaker tub and stand-up shower. So here's our shower and tub. And then we also have a separate commode room with its own door for privacy. And then we also have a very large walk-in closet. Lots of space. Now if we go back out into the main area, we'll take you to the other bedrooms. They are on the opposite side of the home. So here's our dining area and our living room. So we're going to go to the first of the bedrooms. This one could be used as a guest bedroom, an office, a baby's room. It does face the front of the house and it's directly off the living area. So now we're going to continue walking to the short hallway here. You'll see our guest bathroom. We're going to go right towards the back end of the house. Here is that second bedroom. We have a nice closet as well. Now we'll take you to the guest bathroom. There is tile in both of the bathrooms. Nice countertops and good cabinet space. Now we're going to pass a short closet into the last of the bedrooms. This bedroom also faces the front of the home. And there is our closet area. Now we'll take you to the backyard. We do have a nice entry from the backyard into the living room. The backyard is entirely enclosed and does include a nice patio area. So here is that backyard. And here is that patio area, perfect for some family dinners or some grill time. Heading back inside now. Again, this is 3155 Cornell, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it on our website at barronspm.com.